So, when designing a logo or a sticker for a bottle, obviously you want to do it on clear vinyl. Knowing that it's going to be clear vinyl, you have no white ink other than doing it on a UV flatbed. But if you have no white ink, you have to think carefully about how you're going to design your sticker for a clear bottle. Keep in mind that the clear sticker that you are adhering to this bottle, make sure it's a flat surface, not a rippled surface. It'll look much better if your vinyl is placed over a flat surface. Keeping in mind you have no white ink, try and stick to solid colors for your design and making sure that you have the most amount of color in your print when printing. Because there's no white ink, there is no shading involved. You can't have light pink, dark pink, and a shading between both since there's no white ink. So keep that in mind. Now that we need to print the design, we go to our printer. Since you have no white ink in your printer to print on a clear sticker, keep in mind that your colors need to be very strong, solid and vibrant, and your printer needs to be set to the maximum setting for the best color output, as you have no white behind all the colors. Once we have printed our design onto our clear vinyl, now we can move to the stage of cutting. Since we are printing on a clear sticker, we no longer need to contour cut around all the colors. We can leave a rectangle border, circle border or square border, as there is no white ink and the sticker is transparent to adhere to the bottle. Once we have cut our design, we can move on to adhering the vinyl to the bottle. Start by adhering the vinyl to the middle of the bottle and then going sideways from there out. Once I've adhered the sticker to the bottle, there you go, the final process is complete. A clear sticker with a vibrant print on a bottle or any other surface that is clear.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.